Fuck that.
I do not wish to represent any person today.
There is a chapter of the Love Police in London, Ontario.
Nice. That thing is growing, eh?
They say that they're going across the country talking about doing the Love Police all this summer.
I want to fucking join.
Let's help them.
That on day, brother, sure.
I claim common law jurisdiction, so...
We are all sovereign individuals, officer.
I wasn't disturbing the peace in any way.
Okay.
I was having a beer.
In a public place.
I do not represent any
Right.
person.
Public place is the crown. That's why.
What's your name?
I don't have a name, sir. Names are for corporations, legal terms.
Okay, buddy. I know you're in front of
It's the truth, actually.
I'm just stating
What's
the
your name?
truth. I don't have a name, but I'm known as John.
John what?
John of the Swire family.
Okay. I want you to know, failing to identify yourself under the Liquor License Act is an arrestable offense.
Liquor License Act pertains to persons statutory law.
Well, why don't you fall under the statutory law?
Because I do not represent a person at this current moment of time. I am a sovereign flesh human being. And I do not wish to cause any trouble.
But you are.
You can just pour out the beer and everything's peacefully over with.
All I want to know is his name. Is that so difficult?
Well, he just said that he has no name, sir.
He has a name. I'm not playing the silly game.
I personally don't have a name also.
Peace to you. I'm not here to disturb peace.
1589. What does 1589 mean, sir? Can we have some ID from you, sir?
Badge number 1114. Last name Mitobrodsky.
Very nice to meet you, sir. My name's Max.
Max what?
Nice to meet you. Radical. Do you happen to have a business card also?
Yeah, I can give you a business card.
I appreciate that.
I do not wish to
Once we're finished with him.
Parking your bylaw office here at the Summer Lane, please.
But
I do not wish to disturb the peace.
Okay, here's the thing. I don't believe you what you gave me, okay? Is that your real name? Because you're playing a game, okay? Under the Liquor License Act, failing to identify yourself and contravening the Act is an arrestable offense if I believe that the name is false, which I do at this time. So do you really want to go this route?
No.
Okay.
But
so let's stop
name.
playing the games. You have a name. You know what your name is. You're just being silly because you're trying to be funny in front of the camera.
Did you? No, he's not trying to be funny. Actually, this is the truth. Under common law, it is actually his right to defend himself from incriminating himself.
That's in front of court.
No, it's actually.
So he's issued a provincial
But he claimed
notice.
common law as soon as he met you, sir.
Hold on.
He claimed common law as soon as he met you.
Let him
Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, absolutely.
You know what? He's not speaking to you. He's speaking to...
I understand. I'm just here as a peace officer. You got a quarter?
You're just interfering right now.
If you don't identify yourself personally, I will have to arrest you, and then we can go down to Central and work it out there. Okay?
Arrest me for what?
For contravening of the Liquor License Act and failing to identify yourself. Because the name that I feel that you gave me is false. So until I can prove that it is you...
How are you going to prove that it's me in any way?
How?
Yeah.
Because I can look you up under the computer under various organizations, including the Ministry of Transportation, Ministry of Health,
Okay.
to actually confirm that it is you.
What if he doesn't have any of those IDs?
I'm not talking to you, sir.
I understand.
I don't have an identification to represent that person.
Okay. Turn around. We're not playing this game again.
Are you issuing him a ticket?
Yeah.
You're actually
identifies
arresting
He
himself,
identified himself? Yeah.
If he does identify himself, he'll have to go to jail.
Okay, I'll identify myself.
But you're saying
myself?
if he identifies
what's your real
himself. No, he said if you identify yourself, you're going to jail.
No, if he...
That's not what I said.
Okay, I misheard you. I'm not trying.
Why are you speaking for him?
Because he's my friend.
Okay.
Because he's my friend, and I drove all the way from Ottawa to here to see my buddy. And he claimed, gentlemen, he claimed common law jurisdiction. Hey, Frankie, bargain with these guys. There, he just identified himself. You said if he identified himself. No, How about we talk about this? How about we talk about this?
I don't have a name, sir. Names are only corporations.
He needs to be true to himself, sir. He does.
What's your name?
My name's Max Radico.
Okay, Max?
Max Radico,
Okay.
yeah.
Max, you're interfering here. We're going to talk to, what's his name? We're going to talk to him.
He just identified
Hopefully
himself. His
everything
name is
works out.
Frank of the Gotts family, I assure
What's
you.
his last name that it says on his health
Gotts
card?
family. On his
How do
health
you spell
card?
that? On his Ontario health card, what would it say?
I haven't seen his Ontario health card, but what I would say is if you want to see what his person is, you're asking him to identify himself as a person.
Listen,
he doesn't want to identify himself as a person.
We need a name and a date of birth.
On his health
so wait
card.
Here. Otherwise, you're interfering. We're going to speak with him.
Sir,
wait there.
You can understand from what I'm saying about family. I'm sure you can figure it out. He said Frank of the Gotts family. I don't have.
Is that the birth date they have for you?
See, I don't want to represent any person.
I know you don't want to, but we're kind of in a position
I
where
claim
we need
a
that.
common law jurisdiction. I don't want to
What do you mean
represent
you're claiming common law jurisdiction?
That means I claim common law jurisdiction.
What does that mean?
It's my constitutional right to claim common law jurisdiction.
My partner explained to you that failing to identify yourself in contravention of the Liquor License Act is an arrestable offense.
Yeah.
All we require from you is a name, first and last, and a date of birth.
I just
You want me to find his health card? Is it in there?
I am known as Frank of the Gotts.
I'm offering help.
Thanks for your help.
Okay.
I'm known as Frank of the Gotts family, sir.
Of the what family?
Of the Gotts, G-O-T-Z family.
Frank Gotts. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay? Is that your last name? How you spell?
Who's Kevin Delaney Wilson?
That's my buddy.
1588. Can we get a cruiser to Maine and Summers Lane, please?
Not yours, eh?
No, that's my buddy.
Where do you live?
I'm living with my mother. Yeah.
Is this your identification, or
that's
is your name
not mine.
Frank
That's
Gotts?
my name is Frank, or I don't have a name, but I'm known as
No.
Frank of the Gotts family.
Okay.
So you'll identify yourself under
How do you spell Gotts? G-O-T-Z?
Yes, sir.
But here's the thing: if we don't believe that name is correct,
I understand. No, I completely understand this.
and here's the thing: now I found a card with a different name.
Yeah, exactly. I assure you. I understand. I understand. I don't know why he has some friend's
Okay,
ID.
I don't know
He's
how
got
to ask you except when were you born?
Yeah, I was born on. Oh, see, I'm
Do
just.
you have a driver's license?
I
Do you want me to
have a driver's license.
Okay.
I do not represent corporations.
We can easily solve this.
1589, can I trouble you for 29?
Whose phone is this?
10-4.
It's my mother's phone.
Your mom's phone? So if I
I'm
call
not trying to be a smartass.
He's not.
I feel kind of like
I assure you, officer.
you're not allowing me to